We are going to work on the multiple choice. Here, you have to read these topics, read and watch. There is a video here. You have to watch it, how it works. And in general, we are a compiler GCC, and we must be start our programs hashing load, hashing load. So we have an editors via in the VM and Emacs, and also we have a compiler here. We have to create a readme file, and there we have to refer our comments by Betty. And so the first question, which is what is the output of the following piece of code? You know that I is equal to 48 and I is equal to less than 58, I plus, which is print a percent of C, percent of C. The output should be here. Uh, you make, I think you are in mistake when you are 48 because it is a print A. Here we call it is print A, print C. So print F percent of C making one starting from the number which is 48 starting from 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which is including 0, the first one, which is this one. And the other, which is in some functions, which is void 12, the percent of D. So we return 98. So the return is the output rather 12. Rather 12. When the output is 12, which is 12, we should return 98. So the output should be what you call it 98. The output of the following piece of code, I is equal to 9, I plus minus D, here it is decimal, and since percent of D is decimal, so I, for the first case, when 9 is I, starting, make it minus, which is 9, 8, and then 8 coming here, print it out, and then go to I is equal to 8 minus, which is 7, out, like that way it is included with 0, The other one, I is equal to 0, while I less than 10, instance, plus here. So when we starting, which is I divided by 2, this decimal, so our value become here 0 divided by 2, which is 0, and continuous is 0, becoming is 1, you see, 0, which is less than 10, I plus 1, 1 divided by 2, which is equal to 0, you see, and then 1, 1 is less than 10, and 2 divided by 2, which is 1, you see, and then 2 is less than 3 divided by 2, which is 1. remainder of 1. So we check 1. So when it is 9, 9 divided by 2, which is 4, lastly, 4, 4 and is 9, 9 is less than 10, which is plus here, 10, 10 divided by 2, make it 5, lastly. The other one, I less than, I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, printf d and I, return I, anything number of returners, which is in I, you see the number of returners is this value, 0 output, 1 is the output when that is rotating. When we count them, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So return I means how much eyes are there is 10. Is 10. So int I is equal to 0, while I less than 10, print f percent of d I remainder of 2. So let's say 0 divided by 2, 0, remainder of 0 is 0, and then plus plus 2, 1, 1 divided by 1 is less than 10, 1 divided by 2, 0, remainder of 1, that is 1, like that way, it's continued. I is equal to 0, I less than 10, I plus plus, print f, percent of d, I multiply by, so the output is becoming here, because I, 0, 0 less than 10, I plus plus 1, 1 multiply, you see, now, it is 4 statement by the 4 statement, so it can be 1 divided by 1 multiplied by 2, which is 0, 0 multiplied by 2, 0, and plus plus, so make it this one, like this way. This is the value of, lastly we have, but the answer, if we cancel this one, the answer will be, here it is, this one. We multiply by negative, which is positive here, this one. So this is all about the multiplication of C more function more nested loops. C function more